As teachers, we know that the journey is easier for some children than others, but we want everyone to be able to achieve the same success. In our view, having a good ongoing assessment process is critical to be able to see that outcome. Of course, you will be aware of some children struggling through your formative assessments, but others will be hiding their difficulty until quite late in a phonics programme. The key to avoiding that situation is to have an assessment process that avoids causing stress for children, but does flag up any problems that you have not already noticed. At the end of each phase, there are assessment materials for you to use with your pupils. The resources include a teacher assessment sheet, a student sheet, and a whole class analysis sheet. Use the student sheet to ask the pupil to read the assessment materials. Using the teacher assessment sheet, you can record their answers. This assessment is designed to be carried out one-to-one with the child. It is important to stop the assessment if a child is finding it too difficult and support as much as necessary. We strongly believe that building confidence is at the core of all learning. Your teacher notes can reflect the support you needed to give to a child. Collate your assessment on the analysis sheet and look to identify gaps in knowledge across the class to address in future planning and to spot individual pupils who may benefit from additional support. For these individuals, you need to move them on to the Aboard Phonics Plus intervention scheme, following the steps laid out in the manual. By following this process, you can intervene early when a child is first showing some difficulty. Early and highly targeted interventions are quicker and easier than dealing with a child who has lost confidence and fallen well behind. This assess and intervene approach will allow you to keep them on track with their peers so that everyone arrives at the destination without any disasters.